Get ready with me into pivoting into the 90s nostalgia. In today's video, I am going to recreate Ashley Banks' makeup look and outfit. So this is my first time doing it, and I'm very excited and nervous at the same time. So if you guys haven't already, please hit that notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Let's get into it. I had to recreate this look from Ashley. Oh my God. I said, you know what? I love plaid shirts. Like plaid shirts is something that I don't know why. I guess I'm very into the colors and it's just like mostly a laid back and chill type of vibe. And I love it. So I said, you know what? I'm going to recreate this look. And I love the 90s nostalgic look. It's just mostly more comfortable. It wasn't about showing skin, like even though it was crop tops, but it wasn't out the way. It wasn't mostly no tattoos. It was just mostly being a natural beauty. You can have thin eyebrows and just a natural shape. You didn't have to have a big butt. I mean, the 90s were it. It was just everybody had their unique beauty about them. So I'm going to use my Nicka K08. This is cinnamon. Not going to put a lot, just a little, because I want it to still look natural. And I believe Ashley makeup was mostly natural. So she didn't wear a lot of makeup. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to blend that in just a little bit. Okay, y'all. We're just going to blend in. So, I wanted to match my skin tone. So it looked like I'm not wearing no makeup at all. I'm just going to blend that in. Okay, so far, so good. We got that on. So I am going to use Oh Honey Nicka K eyeshadow palette, and I am going to use this color, like a plain nude color. I didn't see it, just like it was giving me a nude color. I can be wrong, but you guys can comment down in the comment section and let me know. That's what I believe that I look. Now I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses. This is a cream foundation. This is number 11. You can find it at your local beauty supply store. This is for my medium shade girls. And I like this. This is a cream. This is like my first time trying it. And I'm just going to blend that in. So it's just covering. And this is beautiful. Like I never did cream foundation. Like I always did concealers or just liquid foundation. But this looks so natural. Like you can't even really tell that you have something on. Works out really, really good. So far, so good, right? Okay, so I got this. This part about the 90s that I love very, very much was nobody wasn't wearing like long lashes. Mostly people were just wearing their regular lashes. And all you need was some mascara. And that's what I do now. I wear my real lashes. I don't wear fake lashes anymore because it was irritating my eye. Or maybe in the future, I might wear it sometimes. But mostly I just wear my own lashes. And I don't have a problem with it. Oh, you want my lashes to look good, baby. It's good enough. All right, it's giving that 90s style look. And my favorite is the lip combo, baby. I'm going to use my Ruby Kisses. This is chocolate lipstick. I always use my lipsticks as lip liners on my lip because, I don't know, it gives it more of a Moorish look. And then I'm going to use a little bit of my lip treatment. So I'm going to go ahead and outline my lip like that. Bring it around. And then my lip is back in the night. It's mostly just brown lip liner and gloss. So I think it's kind of close to Ashley. Like I'm trying to see it, but this is going to be the closest. And I believe they also wore a little contour. Let me see if this might be it's a little light. But what I'm going to do when I do make mistakes like this, all you need is a darker tone and put it right there on top. And then you can also put it there at the bottom to even it out so it won't look like an ashy look color. And I need the brush. I'm just going to blend that in right quick. All right. This is the makeup look for the outfit. Okay. So I found some jeans that I have in my closet. They kind of give the 90s nostalgia look. So I have my jeans and I finally found a white tank top from Ashley in the video. And I can't believe it. A plaid shirt. It is green. It's like green and white. So I finally found one and I'm going to put them on right now. Okay. So far, so good. I have the white tank top and the jeans. I think this was perfect for me. I love cargo jeans, but I know she had the high waist jeans. I really don't have any, but I love cargo. So I said this is going to be the closest. So I'm going to show you guys for the plaid shirts that she tied around her waist. This was really good for us back then, especially, you just want to be yourself and play it off and be like a tomboyish, but you was also a girl. This is my look. I love this look by Ashley Banks, 90s Fresh Prince Bel-Air. So I feel like I nailed this look so far. Tell me what you guys think. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think. I think I nailed the makeup. It's very natural. It's not too, they didn't wear a lot of makeup. And I got my hair and just simple clothing. So I feel like I nailed it. And I feel like I nailed it. Comment down below in the video which celebrity you guys would like for me to recreate and see what I may have in my closet. They might be a little bit similar. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you guys want me to dress more of a nostalgic look close to it. I might have. And thank you guys once again. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed this Get Ready With Me 90s inspired and 2000 nostalgia look since I've been very nostalgia lately. So thank you guys once again.